Welcome to Math 11. Shandelka here. We are recording and live all at the same time. We're talking about salaries, understanding salary. You guys got it? Yep. Okay. Well, what's a salary? It's a fixed payment made by an employer at regular intervals, usually monthly, bi-weekly, or occasionally weekly. I don't know anyone who gets weekly paid from a big organization. Monthly and bi-weekly is typical. Use a chart to list the advantages of receiving weekly or monthly pay. It all adds up to the same amount in a year, so if you were weekly or bi-weekly, what's the advantage? Well, I'm talking to you guys. Right? What's the advantage of getting paid weekly as opposed to monthly? Yeah. Well, they have weekly down here, and I'd be the same advantage when compared to monthly being bi-weekly is. Weekly or bi-weekly. Why is that? What's an advantage? Why would you think it's better than monthly? Easier to manage bills is what give a small enough phrase. Everything you said makes sense. Okay. Is there an advantage to monthly? It adds up to the same. Let's just say if I get paid monthly. Let's just use some easy math. Let's say I'm getting $4,000 one month. Or what if I got $2,000 now and I don't have to wait till the end of the month? And then I got the other $2,000 by the end of the month. Is there any advantage to monthly? Not for the person earning it. I think there might be for the organization. Right? I don't see an advantage. There might be for the person getting paid. Disadvantage. I don't see any advantages. But if you guys could think something, I'd say the more frequently you're paid, the better. Why would I have to wait an extra 2 weeks to get my money, right? And I was talking bi-weekly because that is more common. Disadvantages to weekly or bi-weekly in pay more often. I don't see a disadvantage. It still adds up to the same amount, right? So this is me. Any thoughts on this, Jaden? No? Okay. Get paid more often. If I could get paid daily, that'd be awesome. Actually, you know what I mean? If I could be a pain in the rear for your employer. Every second week is pretty awesome. Okay? The other thing is when you get paid every second week, some months, say it's every Friday, every second Friday, there will be every once in a while, the fourth month or so on average, you will get paid 3 times that month because you know how there's always 28 days is a perfect 4 weeks, so that'd be 2 pay periods. But you got 30 or 31 days. So every once in a while, you get a third pay period, and that's kind of fun. Anyways, whatever. Calculating salary, not celery, but vegetable. Oh, an advertisement seeking people to teach English in Japan states the applicant will receive $42,000 per year. Calculate the weekly gross salary and the monthly gross salary. We're doing weekly, but bi-weekly would just be half the number of pages. It's asking for weekly. You've got to know it's just like a deck of cards. 52 cards in a deck. I'm just trying to relate it to some other things too, because we may be doing some probability things with 52 cards. Anyways, 52 weeks in a year. So you just take this amount for the full year and divide it by 52 and say, hey, that's 800, a little over $800 a week. And if you were paid, and I'm going to start to do it. You'd be getting a little over like $1,600, 1615, something like that, if you're paid bi-weekly, which is more common, right? That's pretty cool. Now remember, that's gross without gross wages without deductions. But still, if you were to only get paid at the end of the month for these, that's 12 months. Divide by 12, you get 3,500, 3,500. Does that make sense? So the math is simple. 52 weeks. If you're getting paid bi-weekly, use half of that. 26 weeks that you'd be paid because it's every second. And if you're being paid monthly, use 12. And teachers get paid 10 because there's only school for 10. Where's that? So what do I want you to do? I want you to take a look at this. And guess what? 4,500 per year. Weekly salary, monthly salary. Weekly salary, monthly salary. Going backwards. Mechanic, 75 grand a year. Weekly salary, monthly salary. 2014, beginning teacher. What is the teacher's monthly salary if they're paid an equal amount over 12 months? And there's some options like that. Anyways, that's what you're doing right now. I don't think it'll take you all class. And then we're going to talk about sales commission after you guys do those questions, but I'm working with the 20.